Just reaching the old town area. Here's a little experience for you of what old town would look like. Oops, that's 8 o'clock, that is. Churches are all closed, folks, so I can't get inside. The noise of the traffic and people waking up from the Monday morning here in south of France. And if you want to go to the theater, make sure you got that QR code scanned so that they can trap you. And it's lovely. What a noise. The bells are beautiful. This used to be how you would wake up in the morning. But today you wake up to the sounds of your text messages, your pings, your notifications, your what else? Oops. It's a beautiful 8 o'clock there. That old church bell tower. It's lovely, don't you think? Yeah. Church bells ringing at 8.